Lose belly fat the correct way. 1. Aerobic exercises in your daily routine. Aerobic only means heavy on oxygen. 2. Reduce refined carbs. That's things you enjoy like pastries, bread, pizza, most things containing white flour. 3. Have fatty fish in your diet. That's the kind of fat the body can process. 4. Start the day with a high-protein breakfast. Things like eggs and skimmed milk. But look this up to choose what foods you will like. 5. Drink enough water. We should drink 6 to 8 cups or glasses of fluid a day. Water, lower fat milk and sugar-free drinks, including tea and coffee, all count. 6. Reduce your salt intake. 7. Consume soluble fiber. Oats, peas, beans, apples, citrus fruits, carrots, barley and psyllium. 8. Walk as much as you can to remove stored belly fat and kickstart the body properly into using the correct process naturally.